There we go. There we go. Need a, oh. First 2 minutes. That's a nice one. Let's go, baby. That didn't take long at all, bro. There we go, too. Yeah. Almost doubled up. A little rock bass. They're always in there. Yeah. Ooh. Amen, though. Hell yeah. Right through the nose. Dude, I have one of you in my fish tank. Little bar. Alright, I need to bomb a cast out there. Get this. It's a fish. Let's go, brother. Dude, I didn't know. I didn't even feel him hit it.
Oh, yeah. He knew. He smelled that poop.
Now, the fish whistle, baby, strikes again. What a legend. Oh, what a legend. Open your mouth. There we go. Ah. Fish. Yeah. Fish, baby, fish. Back into the... Oh, okay, well, she's out of there. He, she, it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Really? Let's go. Give her a toss. Yeah, I see little fish right here. That's a decent one. God.
That one? Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's actually not a bad one either.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one. I didn't even know you were on.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even feel it at first. Dude, I hate trying to get these hooks out, though. It's the only thing I suck at. Well, I probably suck at a lot of stuff, actually, but... Let's go. Not bad, not bad.
Let's go, brother.
Oh, doubled up! Doubled up!
This one's not as big, but damn, he spit out a fucking minute.
Dang, really?
Yeah, he's floating right here on top.
Oh, I see it.
He's got
Dang,
4 in his mouth.
4?
Dude, he's trying to swim out. This is sick.
Get it on cam, get it on cam. She's in there. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That's not a bad fish either.
There it is.
Oh yeah, yeah, he's spitting it up, dude. That looks exactly like the Ned rig you're throwing too. Same color. Oh my God. Huge bass right here.
Really?
Huge. Huge bass. Huge for a creek.
He's still there?
He swam towards you. Like he was in the middle. Oh, hell yeah. We're in sync. Just like our periods. These flies can f off, I can tell you that. There we go. Feel them shaking? That might have been the one I saw, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, he's so close to the tip. Oh my God, I gotta let go. Probably the exact same fish I just caught. No. I'm half tempted to weigh one. He's a pound 6.
Oh, yeah?
Stop jiggling, brother. Stop jiggling. All right. 1 pound. Well, 1.5. Into the water. Nice. I don't have any snake lures. Oh my God. Something just took off with it. Twisted me all up. There we go. Little one. So it's the put the rod between the fucking legs technique. That's what everybody uses. Got it. Come here, brother. Ow. Our hook sets have been top notch today. Tightened our drag. We're good. Later, brother. It was a dink. Hit the wood, hit the wood. Yeah, I see some fish swimming. Might be done. There we go, yep. He's decent. Get up on the rocks, baby. Careful, careful. Oh my God, dude. Oh. Barely in the corner of the lip. Buddy, I'll tell you what, that one might be getting weighed too. Put you in the water, bud, but you're probably gonna break me off or whatever. No, I knew it. I knew it. Fuck you. Wanted to get a pick and a weight. Let's go. The craws are the move. Almost doubled up again. Put that one in the fish tank, brother. Brother, can you stop flopping around? Mine.
No, you motherfucker. I like started to reel and the reel kept bending, like, and I could tell my bait was coming. I was like, I upset it.
There we go. Oh, that's a pretty one. Right? Oh my God. Did you not learn your lesson, or are you the same one? God. I'll tell you what, buddy, they are hitting today.
Yeah, they're good.
Ah, dang.
Is that the same one?
I don't think so. I don't think so. It might be. You get one? Oh.
Hey, we knew it was one.
0.7 ounces, allegedly. This scale sucks, bro.
Yeah, I see. How many times am I gonna fucking eat it?
Here we go. Little one.
Brother.
Little baby. We take those. We take those. Fish. Biggin. Oh. Tighten that drag up. Tighten that drag up. That was a nice one.
Bruh.
Get in there.
Let's go, brother.
I don't know if that was the same one. I doubt it. Dude. They are chunky today. Okay. God dang. Buddy, that's a huge one.
You weigh him?
Haha.
You weigh him?
Not yet. Whew. Give this scale one last chance. Just shy of 2 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, babe. Good. How big was that?
That one's not as big, but he did some acrobatics.